Hello, my stylish friends. Shelly Malashi, your style consultant. Today we're going animal. Leopard print pants. Aren't these fun? They're just a simple little pant. There's not a lot to them, but there's a lot of pattern down here. Black jacket, black t-shirt, little black flats. Done. What an easy outfit to pull together. It goes anywhere. Work, brunch, teacher stuff with the kids. Dress it up, make it très chic. Wear a black skinny turtleneck and tall heel black booties. Oh, that would be fabulous with this. Bring in the color. For example, these little pants are considered neutral. What would you wear with a patterned pair of black pants? Because that's how you can look at these. Here's some thoughts. Sweater sets. Look at the orange with that. Fantastic. What about yellow with that? Isn't that fabulous how well it works? Keep going. What if you did something like a blouse? The trick here is this needs to be solid. Top needs to be solid because all your print is happening down here. You could dress it up even. Grab something dressy with these and high heels. I love the idea of a little animal leopard print pant. Let's get you a pair and then use everything in your closet to build 4 different outfits with 1 pair of pants. I just did it with things I already own. Let's go shopping. Let's start with a pair of printed pants. Okay, call me. I'm ready to shop.